क्या?
जी महाराज। मुझे भूख लगी है।
The स्थापना and visurgence of Lord Ganesha symbolize the life cycle.
God. What is the scientific point of view in celebrating this festival?
Suno suno, bhai suno suno. Suno suno, bhai suno suno. Suno suno, bhai suno suno. Suno suno, bhai suno suno.
As per the traditions, the idol of clay is placed and worshipped for 10 days and then immersed in water. When these idols are immersed in water, the fertile mud from it is taken away to the banks of the water bodies and the fertility of the river side is restored. This festival of Ganesh Chaturthi represents the balance of nature as well.
India. Let us know some very interesting facts about Ganesh Chaturthi from Rudra.
Good morning to one and all present over here. Myself Rudra Tejani from class 9G. Today's amazing facts are as follows. The first Ganesh Chaturthi celebration dates back to the era of Chhatrapati Shivaji. Bal Gangadhar Tilak started public Ganesh Chaturthi celebration in 1893 to fight the British. Lord Ganesha is also worshipped in countries like China, Nepal, Afghanistan, Thailand and Cambodia. It is considered unlucky to look at Lord Ganesha at noon during Ganesh Chaturthi. Mumbai's Lal Bogha Raja hosts India's longest immersion procession. Thank you and have an amazing day.
Thank you, Rudra. The word Ganesha stands for G for Ganpati, which means Lords of all gods.
A for Alapata, meaning infinite Lord.
N for Nideshwaram, which means bestower of riches and treasures.
E means Ishan Putra, meaning Lord of the son of Lord Shiva.
S Siddhidata, which means giver of success.
H for Haridra, meaning golden colored.
A for Avigna, meaning remover of obstacles and difficulties.
So, here are there are students from class 9th and 10th for a skit on Ganesh Chaturthi.
पालन विभव विश्वव्यापी नमो नमः। आज के इस पावन अवसर पर मैं निष्ठा और मैं ध्रुवी आप सभी का स्वागत करते हैं। आज का दिन हम सभी के लिए महत्वपूर्ण है और कहते हैं ना कि विद्यार्थी लभते विद्या, धनार्थी लभते धनम, मोक्षार्थी लभते गतिम और पुत्रार्थी लभते पुत्रान। आइए ऐसे प्रभु के नाम का सुमिरन करते हैं। आगे बढ़ते हुए अब आप सभी के समक्ष एक मजेदार नुक्कड़ नाटक है जिसका शीर्षक है गणेश जी का जीवन दर्शन। आइए इस नाटक का आनंद लेते हैं और इस नाटक के द्वारा दी हुई सीख को जीवन में उतारते हैं।
सुनो सुनो भाई सुनो सुनो, सुनो सुनो भाई सुनो सुनो, सुनो सुनो भाई सुनो सुनो, सुनो सुनो भाई सुनो सुनो,
सुनो सुनो भाई सुनो सुनो।
Do you know, friends, whom do we remember in the beginning of any work or at auspicious occasion? Yes, you are guessing correctly. That is none other than Lord Ganesha, Vignaharta, Lambodara and Ganpati Bappa.
Friends, today we are going to celebrate the festival of Ganesh Chaturthi. In this festival, we place the idol of Lord Ganesha for maximum 10 days. And on last day at 10 days, we immerse that in water. But what is the religious significance of this festival?
What?
Suno suno, bhai suno suno. Suno suno, bhai suno suno. Suno suno, bhai suno suno. Suno suno, bhai suno suno.
Friends, there are many stories behind the celebration of Ganesh Chaturthi. One of them is related to the birth of Lord Ganesha. According to the story, goddess Parvati created Ganesha with the sandalwood paste or earth while Lord Shiva was away. When she was taking bath, she asked Ganesha to guard the entrance door. In the meantime, when Lord Shiva returned, he was stalked by Ganesha and it led to a tiff between them. When Parvati returned, then Lord Shiva cut off Ganesha's head. When Parvati returned, she told Lord Shiva about Ganesha and he promised to give Ganesha a new life and fixed an elephant head on him. Restoring his life, Lord Ganesha was born and his rebirth of elephant-headed boy is celebrated as an auspicious occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi.
But this is a mythological belief of celebrating Ganesh Chaturthi. What is the rational logic behind it? What?
Suno suno, bhai suno suno. Suno suno, bhai suno suno. Suno suno,
Bhai suno suno.
suno suno, bhai suno suno.
The ritual is done to signify the birth cycle of Lord Ganesha, as he was created from the day on sandalwood paste, and a symbolic statue is as well. The idol is immersed in the water so that Ganesha may return to home after he stays at the devotee's home or temple where Ganesh Chaturthi are conducted.
In Indian culture, it is believed that the body of human being is made up of 5 elements of nature. When they are alive, they are buried or cremated in the nature. Like this, the body disappears in the nature. Like this, the Sthapna and Visarjan of Lord Ganesha symbolize the life cycle.
What is the scientific point of view in celebrating this festival?
Suno suno, bhai suno suno. Suno suno, bhai suno suno. Suno suno, bhai suno suno. Suno suno, bhai suno suno.
As per the traditions, the idol of clay is placed and worshipped for 10 days and then immersed in water. When these idols are immersed in water, the fertile mud from it is taken away to the banks of the water bodies and the fertility of the river side is restored. This festival of Ganesh Chaturthi represents the balance of nature as well. Suno, bhai, suno, suno. Suno, 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 suno, bhai, suno, suno.
Hey flock, the plants which are grown on the earth are eaten by humans and all other animals. These food help all of them in growth and get energy for lifetime. When these animals or all the things which are nurtured by Mother Earth goes back when they die. When the dead bodies are buried or cremated, they goes again into the nature in different forms. So, Ganesh Sthapana then worshiping for 10 days and disposal of that clay idols into the water prison. The same system of nature, isn't it?
Do we pay back to the nature? I don't think so. Nowadays, the idols of Lord Ganesha are made of non-biodegradable, harmful materials. Chemical colors are also used to paint them. So don't they all pollute the water bodies? Is the immersion of such idols takes away from the positive symbolism and impact of the rituals. So we should use the idols made of clay and painted by the natural colors. Let's remember the real essence of this celebration. Pay back to the nature. Let's pay back to the nature. Let's pay back to the Mother Earth. Ganpati Bappa Moria.
माता लकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा माता लकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा संत दयावंत कार बुझादारी
Hello. Good morning to one present over here. Today I Manavya Patel from class 9G would like to say today's word of the day. So today's word of the day is Yagnakaya, Yagnakaya, which means the acceptor of all the scared and sacrificed offerings. I repeat my word, Yagnakaya, Yagnakaya. Thank you.
Thank you, Manavya.
Although Ganesha has many attributes, he is really identified by his elephant head. This festival commemorates the birth of Lord Ganesha, who is known as the god of wisdom, wealth, science and knowledge. He is said Vignaharta because he removes the obstacles and hurdles which come in our lives.